There's three things that you can compete on: service, quality, and price. So by having the best equipment like contact mixers, it allows us to be more competitive with our pricing. We're the best in what we do, and we partner with folks that stand behind what they're doing.
We've got a good quality product with a good relationship. It's more of a partnership than it is just buying a product. We're there to help each other out. Given input, we actually get answers back on how to make things better. Mechanics like working on them, drivers like them.
We're a family-owned business. My grandfather founded the company in 1952. His employees were important. His customers were important. To build on that reputation, you also have to provide quality service. Contact seems to operate the way we operate. Their customers, their people, they're very important.
When I think of Contact, I think about quality. I think about a product that everybody in the field likes. Our turnaround times are very important, so we want to be able to get to the job, unload, rinse their drum, and leave the job quickly.
We don't need to have issues getting that concrete out of that truck, and we don't, because of the technology that Contact's put into our mixers. The SD Wooten name and brand mean something. Our owners are willing to invest something to make sure that we maintain that brand.
There's no doubt who's doing the work when we're on a job, and that's the way we want it. But that means we have to meet that higher expectation that what we do is quality. Customer satisfaction, employee satisfaction, all those things are increased when we have reliable equipment we can work with.
Concrete being a perishable product, it's nice that all we have to do is make a phone call and Contact is there to deliver, get us back up and going as quickly as possible.
Everybody likes the product that Contact provides for us, and I never hear any complaints about their truck.
You know, with Contact being currently the only mixers that we buy, we are committed to the ready mix industry.